If you want to start a Zobo business, make natural Zobo that is good for health, or your Zobo never comes out consistent for sale, then watch this. Today I am showing you my commercial fruity Zobo production process, how we make it in large quantities, fresh, rich, fruity, smooth, profitable and perfectly ready for customers. So don't blink, you might just pick up a method that changes your Zobo game. Welcome back to my business space. Today I am taking you behind the scenes of how we produce healthy fruity Zobo in bulk for customers. This is not a small home batch, this is a commercial production for sale. So if you are a food business enthusiast and you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, this is the best time for you to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video. Now let's go straight into the video. Here are the ingredients we are going to be using for this large scale production: Zobo leaves, fresh fruits for flavor, spices for aroma and other natural ingredients that gives it that rich taste and color. So kindly watch till the end for all the tips, recipes and business strategies. We start by properly measuring the Zobo leaf. All our ingredients are measured to ensure consistency for business production. Now ginger, let us measure the ginger we will be using. Next is to prep the beetroot, and we are going to be scaling it first. We will now measure our herbs and spices. Let's measure the cloves, and then the cinnamon. Cinnamon adds aroma and depth of flavor to the drink, making it smell and taste even richer, while cloves brings a strong warm flavor and help enhance the overall taste of the Zobo. Next is prepping of our fruits. We are going to prepare this and then we keep in the fridge. Here are the fruits we are going to be using. There is watermelon, there is pineapple, there is lemon, which we are going to use last. We also have beetroot. Let's begin by prepping the ginger. Since it is a large production, we are not going to be peeling the skin, the ginger skin. We cut into smaller pieces and then we blend with some water. Kindly check out the description box below as well to get all the measurements, the liters of water used and more. So kindly check out the description box below. Getting the pineapples ready. Having pineapple in our fruity Zobo gives natural sweetness and that fruity tropical flavor customers enjoy. Next, let's prep the watermelon. Watermelon gives the drink a refreshing fruity taste, and it is known for its high water content. This watermelon has been properly washed. The back has been properly washed because we are also going to be using it inside the zobo, I mean the peel. While prepping watermelon gives the drink a refreshing fruity taste, and it is known for its high water content. And for the sweet now, we are going to be using dates. We want this recipe to be a natural one that can be taken by everybody. No added preservative, no sweetener, no sugar. So it is perfect for health conscious people because it is sugar free, so your customers don't have to be worried about it being concentrated. So after breaking and removing the seed from the dates, we are going to soak it. You wash it first and then you soak it for it to soften a little before you blend it. Now that we have gotten some of our ingredients prepped, let's begin to boil. This zobo leaf, also called hibiscus flower, have been properly sorted. Dirt, stones have been removed from it, and then we'll wash it quickly once. Then pour the washed zobo into the boiling water. Go in with the washed cinnamon and cloves. Now the blended fresh ginger. Ginger gives that spicy kick and warmth people love in zobo. It is also commonly used in natural drinks because it is refreshing property. Now the pineapple peel. Blended pineapple. Watermelon peel. After boiling and infusing, the first straining, we are going to do this properly to get a smooth drink to some extent. After straining it for the first time, this is the chaff. We are not going to dispose this chaff. We are going to use it again. That is the advantage of this recipe. So boiling the chaff again, we are going to make what? More profit. While we allow it to cool down for a bit, let's blend watermelon and then beetroot. If you are serious about starting a Zobo business or learning different healthy Zobo variations, I have a 100 Zobo recipe cookbook available. It includes different Zobo recipes, business startup tips, and options suitable for people trying to reduce excess sugar intake, including diabetes-friendly ideas. We are currently running a discount right now, so click the link in the description box below to get yours before the promo ends. And here is the blended beetroot. Here is the firstly sieved Zobo. After adding beetroot to the Zobo, then we will also go in with the blended watermelon. We can now add our dates, our blended dates. It is time to add the lemon juice. We will wash this properly, slice it, and then squeeze out the lemon juice. Lemon adds freshness and a tangy flavor while also giving the drink a refreshing boost. Now we adjust the taste and ensure everything is balanced, color, aroma, and thickness. This is where the magic comes together for a consistent product every time. We have 2 more sieving to go. We are going to sieve it out first using that sieve. You know, we added watermelon and beetroot blend inside it, so we are not going to use the cheesecloth immediately so as for the Zobo to come out quickly. So while using this one first, this will enable the Zobo to come out of the sieve quickly, and then finally we can now use the cheesecloth. Finally, let's use the cheesecloth. This is where the Zobo is going to come out very smooth. We also have more Zobo recipes, tiger nut drink business videos, soya milk videos, and other food business videos on our channel. So kindly check out the description box for more videos and resources. Are you loving the tips and recipes? You will find even more in my exclusive ebooks or cookbook, a complete guide that covers everything from delicious meals and baking secrets to event planning and natural hair growth solution, plus my online classes which guides you step by step. Check the description box below to grab your ebooks or sign up for a class. Let's level up together. If you want to start up a tiger nut drink business from scratch, tiger nut drink that lasts longer, that doesn't ferment, how to preserve it naturally, also how to market and sell them even if you don't have idea at all, we have a tiger nut drink business class from scratch. We are going to mentor you until you become a pro in it. So kindly check out the link in the description box below for you to join the class now. This is the final product ready for customers, clean, rich, and professionally produced for sale. This is exactly how you turn Zobo into a real business, not just a homemade drink. If this video inspired you to start your own Zobo business, then don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because this channel is all about food business, commercial production, and profitable recipes. Also, you can follow us on our displayed social media handles. Let us become friends and advance together. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.